Hello, my name is Arena. I'm from Petropavlovsk, which student in the NAS of Kyrgyzstan. I study in the 11th grade in high boarding school for gifted children named after Abu Dusmahambetov. I like computer studying very much and my scientific research is called CODE. Aim of the research is the creation of the new information and encryption algorithm called CODE, the description of this algorithm in the PHP programming languages, testing and practical application in the basic course of informatics. Within the research of this new method, the following tasks are set: encipherment of the text of the message by means of the new algorithm, transmission of the text of the decode message through communication channels, the internet, phone, etc., receiving and decoding the received message. Research methods follows as accomplishing the task of the search method, searching algorithm of information enciphering, as well as the comparative analysis of these methods have been used as the prototype of CODE, INESDIS, Viginodis, Cesar cipher, and Palubi Square server. Procedure of the research consists of the following stages: the creation of the algorithm named CODE, the application of keys, enciphering, decoding, and transmission of the text, testing of the algorithm in order to see what changes happen to the text with the enciphering key alternation. The computer-aided algorithm described by means of the PHP is suggested as for the theoretical analysis of systematization control. Inductive and deductive methods of searching have been applied. Novelty of the research is as follows: the theoretical and practical basis for the algorithm and its application, information and encryption are created. The created algorithm can be used in the basic course of computer studies as the visual aid when studying the themes about information enciphering. Practical value of the research is as follows: this research is a practical model and a visual aid in the process of information enciphering. The result of the given work can be used at the lessons of computer studies in higher education institutions as well as schools. Besides, it can be one of the ways to secure personal correspondence. Encryption is a converting process, the source text, which is also called a plain text, which replies with the cipher text. Decryption, the process refers to encryption. The cipher text is transformed into the source one with the help of the key. Key is the information necessary for unobstructed enciphering and decoding of the text. Look at this cryptographic system. We encode the text with the key and send to the transmission path. After that, we get the cipher text and decode it again. Description of CODE encryption algorithm. There are symbols situated on the ends of disk. The disk is separated into 150 segments. Each segment has an individual symbol. The symbols are the letters of the Russian and English languages in two registers, as well as figures, punctuation marks, signs of mathematical operation, a blank space, and a line break. There are two arrows, a red and blue one, situated in the center of the virtual disk. These arrows are set corresponding to each other on a certain degree. For example, 30 degree, 45, 19 degree, etc. On the time interval 6:45, where the angle between the arrows will make 90 degree, or 1:25, where the angle between the arrows will make 120 degree. Virtual disk function principles. How does the device operate? How will we be able to decipher the message? As it mentioned above, the arrows of the disk are adjusted corresponding to each other on a certain degree on time intro. A red arrow points to the letter to be deciphered, and according to indications of the blue arrows, enciphered text is registers. Thus, according to the letters, the whole text of the enciphered message is compiled. For example, the text of the message "I like computer studies." Step 1, the reverse of the text of the message. Step 2, the text of encryption. With the transmission of the enciphered message, this will result in the following record: key of the message and cipher text. As it was written above, 110 shows the degree between the arrows, which equals 30 degrees. This states when the angle between the arrows equals 30 degrees. And I have my website, and I want to demonstrate it. I open the enciphered section encryption. The encryption section contains the program based on the code block algorithm, which enciphers and deciphers the text information written in the PHP program languages. I change encryption or decryption. I choose encryption, and I set time. I choose the time 7:00, and write the text. I choose the text. I like computer studying. After that, I press encipher, and I get the code. I copy and I choose the decryption, time 7:00, and encipher. After that, I get the text "I like computer studying." Yes. Sorry. We can send ciphertext via internet, resource, mail, and mobile device. With the transmission of the enciphered message, this will result in the following record: key of the message and ciphertext. For example, the text of the message, key of the message, and ciphertext. Step 1, the reverse of the text of the message. Step 2, the text decryption. As it's written above 110, shows the degree between the arrows, which equals 30 degrees. This the stage when the angle between the arrows equals 30 degrees. And look at in my program. Application. This algorithm applicable for any alphabets. Kazakh, English, German, and other alphabets. This algorithm is applicable to encipher text message of any size. It's suitable for the concealment of the text information from unauthorized persons. It's applicable to transfer of passwords, codes, and confidential words. Conclusion, research part. Code message can be read only with the key. Changing the key must lead to the essential difference of the code message. Extra bus attached to a message during the decoding must be completely and safely hidden in the code text. Any key from the great variety of possible must be secure. The length of the code text must must be the same as the original text. The structural elements of encoding algorithm must be the same, and now the algorithm of encoding shouldn't influence the protection. Here you can see the result of the interview carried out among the students. You can see the number of students involved into the experiment, the number of the students who didn't take part within, and the number of students who didn't understand it, the number of students who liked it, and the number of students who think that there is nothing special about it. After explanation of the principles of code-block operation, there was an interview carried out among the students. The suppressing majority of students showed their interest in this encryption algorithm. Research value. The given encryption algorithm can be used in the basic course of computing as a practical module and the visual aid when the themes concerning the information and encryption are under consideration. Interest in increasing the interest in the subject. It promotes people's constructive thinking. It secures their personal correspondence, and it motivates people to learn something new. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.